Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then we have Phil-Lord's tumor. Phil-Lord's tumor. These Phil-Lord's tumor are actually tumor of mixed. Actually, this Phil-Lord's tumor has biphasic proliferation. It has biphasic proliferation. That means it has proliferation of mixed connective tissue. Proliferation is seen. This mixed connective tissue proliferation is nothing but stroma, and also there is proliferation of the epithelium is also seen, and this epithelium is the mammary epithelium. Proliferation is seen in the biphasic proliferation. Then this Phillore's tumor is also called as cirrhocystic disease of the breast. It is called as cirrhocystic disease of the body. It is actually a borderline tumor. This is a borderline tumor and it has local recurrence can also occur in the Phillore's tumor. Now, pathology of Phillore's tumor. In the pathology of Phillore's tumor, here the patient, here now in the breast there is a tumor. In the breast there is a tumor, and this tumor is very large enough that it compresses the adjacent breast tissue. So here the tumor can easily be demarcated. It is sharply demarcated from the surrounding breast tissue easily. And one more important thing is, because this tumor is large enough, it will also compress and distort the breast tissue also. And the connective tissue which is present in the Phillore's tumor, the connective tissue which is present in the Phillore's tumor, this is actually a mixed gelatinous, or it can be solid, or it can also have cystic areas are also present in the connective tissue. Then if the patient has cystic areas are present in the connective tissue, these cystic areas have increased these are representations of infarction and necrosis. That is, if this is the tumor, in the tumor, if there is a cyst, if this is the cyst is present in the tumor, and this cyst in the tumor is because of the necrosis of the tissue which is present in this area, and because of the infarction cystic areas are developed. So if you see the gross appearance, grossly this tumor will look like a classical leaf-like appearance, or also called as phyllodes-like appearance, is seen on the tumor. And if you see the stroma of the phylloid tumor will have a greater cellular activity is also seen. Then, right, this phyllodes tumor can go into malignancy. If it is a malignant phylloid tumor, there is one important thing in malignant phylloid tumors. These malignant phylloid tumors also contains a liposarcomatous, or it can also contains a rhabdomyosarcomatous elements. So that means liposarcomatous means it has a lipid, it has the sarcomatous means the muscle element and lipid elements are present, whereas in rhabdomyosarcomatous it has muscle elements are also present if it is a malignant phylloid tumor. In malignant phylloid tumor we should always look for, or we should always evaluate the number of mitosis which are present, and also presence or if there is absence of invasive foci. Okay, all these are found out in malignant phyllodes tumor.
thank you and thank you for watching.